So the first solution is that you can increase the price of your product and services, but basically you cannot do it across your product and services all together at once. You can smartly price your product and services and bundle them with other product and services which gives value to the customers, because customers always prefer value and it will justify the cost. Secondly, try to cut your oil dependency, which can impact your production cost, the transportation cost, and even the sourcing. Optimize them, try to source locally, but every time this is not possible because you have specialized raw materials, you have a cost benefit advantages, and you also have a contract with your suppliers. So instead of totally cutting the dependency on this, you can diversify your suppliers, which can build resiliency. You can lock in the prices with the suppliers, that will give you a cost advantage. You can do an advance contracting with the suppliers, that will you know benefit you in the long term. If the prices of oil rises, that will also help you to cut out the production cost and logistic cost as well, and even the sourcing of materials. So if you can do this, that will be a biggest advantage for businesses. And last, you can, if this all things are not possible, you can pass the cost to the customers, but make sure that you are very transparent and let them know why you are increasing the price of your product and services. Because if you're transparent, they will be ready to pay. There's no hesitation, customers paying for your product and services if the cost rises, and if you're transparent with the reason of why the cost is rising and why you're charging them more. Remember, it is very important to save as much money as possible, because money saved is money earned. So if you as a business find anything interesting or anything challenging, you can share with us in the comments, and people across the LinkedIn will benefit from your suggestion. And I think this is the best way to navigate this kind of challenges, which can help the business not only to increase margins but also help in retaining customers. So if you find this information useful, keep liking and keep punching. Until then, have a great day.